Today, we shall continue with the lesson Inside the Atom. This is the last part of the lesson. Chapter 5, Part 4. So, today's topics are isotopes and nuclear reactor. Let's begin. Isotopes. Isotopes. The atomic number is a fundamental property of an element and its chemical identity. Some elements in nature have atoms with same atomic number but different mass number. Such atoms of the same element having different mass number are called isotopes. For example, carbon has three isotopes, namely C12, C13 and C14. The mass number of isotopes is also represented by another method as shown. The isotopes have same proton number but different neutron number. See, we have this table on page number 36 in our textbook, students. You all can see isotope for C12, the mass number A, that is 12. Proton number we have 6. Number of protons will be constant, that is 6. And neutron number we just have to subtract it from A, that is the mass number. So we'll get neutron number is again 6. For C13, mass number is 13. Proton number is again 6. And neutron number we have to subtract, we will get 7. For C14, mass number is 14. Proton number again the same. And neutron number 14 minus 6, that is 8. We have one more table here. So here we can see the very first, in the very first column we can see 1H1. Now here we have to write the number of protons. Number of proton means the atomic number. Atomic number where it is written the number below, the number which is written down, that is the atomic number. So we have 1 and the number of neutrons is also 0. Why 0? Because at the top the number of protons and neutrons together we sum up and write. But here only 1 is written and hence neutron number is 0. For the second one, we have to write down the isotope. They have written the proton number and neutron number. So, this is the answer. Below we have to write 1. That is proton number will always come below. And at the top, we have to sum up the proton and the neutron number. That is 1 plus 1 is 2. Hence, we wrote 1H2. For the third one, it will be 1H3. Below we have to write only the proton number and at the top we have to write proton plus neutron. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Now let's do for chlorine. Proton number is 17 and neutron number is 18. How come 8? How we got 18? We subtracted 17 from 35 which is mentioned. 35 is the number of protons plus neutrons. When we already know the number of protons, we just have to subtract it from the number which is given. Similarly, we have to do for the next one also, students. Now we have uses of isotopes. Uranium-235 is used for nuclear fission and production of electricity. Some radioactive isotopes like cobalt-60 are used in the medical treatment of fatal diseases like cancer. Iodine-131 is used in the treatment of goiter, disease of thyroid gland. The radioactive isotopes are used for detection of cracks, that is leakage in the underground pipes. Example, sodium-24. Radioactive isotopes are used for food preservation from microbes. The radioactive isotope C14 is used for determining the age of archaeological objects. So these were the uses of isotopes. Now let's move on to nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor is a machine that generates electricity on large scale by using atomic number. In a nuclear reactor, the nuclear energy in atom is released by bringing about nuclear reaction on the nuclear fuel. Let us understand a nuclear reaction with example of a nuclear fuel, namely uranium-235. On bombardment with slow speed of neutrons, the nucleus of the isotope uranium-235 undergoes nuclear fission to form nuclei of two different elements, krypton-92 and barium-141 and 2 to 3 neutrons. On decreasing the speed, these neutrons bring about fission of more uranium-235 nuclei. In this way, a chain reaction of nuclear fission takes place. A large amount of nuclear energy is released during a chain reaction of fission. The chain reaction is kept under control to prevent the probable explosion. To control the chain reaction in the necessary nuclear reactor, it is necessary to decrease the speed and number of neutrons. For this purpose, the following provision is made in a nuclear reactor. Number 1. Moderator. Graphite or heavy water is used as moderator for reducing the speed of neutrons. Number 2. Controller. To reduce the number of neutrons by absorbing them, rods of boron, cadmium, beryllium, etc. are used as controllers. The heat produced in the fission process is taken out by using water as coolant. Water is transformed into steam. By means of this steam, turbines are driven and electricity is generated. In India, total 22 nuclear reactors in 8 places are functioning. Apsara at Baba Atomic Research Center in Mumbai is the first nuclear reactor in India which went critical on 4th August 1956. In India, India has large reserves of the element thorium-232. Therefore, Indian scientists have developed a future plan for nuclear reactors based on production of the isotope U-233 from thorium-232. With this, we end the lesson, students. Thank you.